have left to speak. Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask you to welcome the first speaker. Let's introduce Johan from Iristick.
Hello everybody, and welcome to this pitch session. I hope everybody has their headsets on. That's okay? Yeah, everybody hears me? Thank you very much. So we are Iristick. We make industrial smart glasses. My zapper is not working. Yep, that one works. So my name is Johan de Geiter. I'm the CEO of the company. We make industrial smart glasses like the one that I am wearing here at this point in time. And we do that for what is called hands-free workers. And hands-free workers come in all sizes and shapes. On the left-hand side you have a DHL logistics worker. In the middle you have somebody who does maintenance on windmills, and on the right-hand side is a doctor from Medtronic who uses our glasses during operations. They do that to reduce errors, to increase the safety and to increase efficiency. That's basically why they are using our smart glasses. And so, like I said, the applications of the smart glasses are threefold. One is remote assistance. You have a field technician that is supported by an expert from a company or from a colleague that sees what the person wearing the glasses is actually seeing. The glasses are equipped with two cameras, a central camera and a zoom camera on the side, and a small screen on top here. The second use case is hands-free instructions. So if you, with Aviapartner for instance, we are going to launch a project that allows them to do dangerous goods checks, and they get a digital checklist on their screen projected, and then they can do the dangerous goods checks by following the digital check. And then pick by vision is the obvious one in logistics operations. That is what you get there. Our industry was about 3 billion last year or 2 years ago, and grows in a few years 20 times. We are the only smart glass that runs on iOS, which is for some pharmaceutical companies the company standard, and so we're the only one in the world. We are the only one that has an optical zoom, and they're fairly comfortable to wear. I invite you to try them out on our booth. We got a Red Dot award for that one. Customers currently running using our glasses or trying out our glasses in Europe and in the US, about 50-50. So 50% of our customers are US based, 50% of our customers are European based. This is our team. We do have some certificates, we do have some patents on it. We received already quite some funding. As a hardware company, you need quite some money to make hardware on that level. But we are still launching a Series B. The timing of that Series B is Q1 next year, and we will use that to increase our commercial network and to increase the product line that we have. We currently have 2 products, and we will add a biomedical smart glass for that sense. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have questions, come to our booth. If you have questions now, please, you have 2 minutes.
Indeed. So, dear members of the jury, do you have questions?